Want your home to feel smarter, simpler, and way more comfortable? These Amazon Home gadgets are designed to save time, reduce daily hassles, and make everyday living feel effortless. From organizing to relaxing to upgrading your space, these finds quietly change how you live. All products you see are linked in the description. And for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Dirt doesn't stand a chance when you bring steam into the fight. This powerful steam cleaner blasts grime using nothing but heated water, so you can deep clean without chemicals. You can use it on floors, tiles, kitchen messes, car interiors, upholstery, and even stubborn grout. The high heat steam helps eliminate germs while lifting grease fast, so you get a cleaner space with less effort. A compact body and multiple attachments let you reach corners, cracks, and tight spots easily. So if you want a sparkling home with zero harsh chemicals, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Fresh herbs don't have to come from the store anymore. This indoor hydroponic garden lets you grow herbs, lettuce, or veggies right on your countertop with no soil and no mess. You just add water, seeds, and nutrients, and the built-in LED grow light does the rest by mimicking sunlight. A smart circulation system keeps roots healthy, while the adjustable light grows with your plants. You get faster growth, fresher food, and a mini garden you'll actually enjoy using. So if you want fresh herbs and veggies all year round, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Those last bits of toothpaste don't need to go to waste. This simple tube squeezer helps you roll every drop forward without messy squeezing. You slide the tube in, press it down, and it keeps everything neat and standing upright. It works great for toothpaste, creams, gels, and other soft tubes around the house. You get a cleaner sink, less clutter, and a tube that actually empties completely. So if you're tired of wasted toothpaste, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Your living room just found its personality. This oversized dog-shaped couch turns seating into a playful statement you can actually sink into. The plush teddy-like fabric feels incredibly soft, while the deep cushioning hugs your body when you sit or lounge. It's roomy enough for movie nights, reading, or stretching out comfortably. You get cozy comfort, eye-catching design, and a piece that instantly makes your space feel fun and unforgettable. Cleaning tools don't need to live in a messy corner anymore. This wall-mounted holder gives your brooms, mops, and garden tools a clean, organized home. You just push the handle in with one hand, and the grip locks it securely in place. Adjustable racks and hooks let you arrange everything exactly how you want. It saves space, clears the floor, and instantly makes any room feel more organized. Perfect eggs shouldn't feel like a science experiment. This electric egg cooker takes the guesswork out by cooking your eggs exactly how you like them, every time. You add water, press one button, and it handles the rest with an automatic shutoff. It works for soft, medium, or fully cooked eggs, and even helps make shells easier to peel. Compact and simple, it's an easy win for quick breakfasts, meal prep, or busy mornings. So, if you want perfect eggs every time, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Threading a needle shouldn't test your patience. This handy needle threader makes it quick and frustration-free with a simple press of a button. You slide in the needle, press down, and the thread pops right through the eye. It works for both small and large needles, so you don't have to switch tools. Sewing, beading, or quick repairs feel smoother when threading finally works on the first try. Add some fun to your bathroom without losing function. This robot-shaped organizer sticks firmly to tiles or glass with strong suction cups. No tools or drilling needed. Multiple compartments and hooks keep toothbrushes, razors, and small essentials neatly in place. Its slim design frees up counter space while still holding everything you need within reach. Easy to clean and cheerful to look at, it keeps your bathroom tidy and playful. Opening bottles just got a lot cuter. These bear-shaped openers handle jars, soda cans, beer bottles, and more with ease, making them perfect for anyone with less hand strength. Just a line, twist, or pry, and the lid pops off safely. No knives or struggling required. Made from sturdy plastic and stainless steel, they're built to last and fun to use. Keep one in the kitchen, take one outdoors, and enjoy effortless opening every time. So, if you want hassle-free bottle opening, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Tired of tangled cords taking over your bag or desk? This retractable cord reel keeps USB cables, chargers, and headphones neatly stored and ready to use. Just give the cable a gentle pull, and it extends smoothly. Let go, and it retracts automatically. Small, durable, and portable, it fits in backpacks, pockets, or travel bags. Color-coded options make it easy to spot the right cable. Keep your space clutter-free, whether you're at home, in the car, or on the go. Worried about little hands getting into the fridge? This clever door lock keeps toddlers out while staying easy for you to open with one hand. No drills, screws, or tools needed. Just stick it on smooth surfaces and it's ready to go. It protects your family from accidents and keeps your fridge organized. Durable plastic construction ensures it lasts, making safety simple and stress-free. Tired of stepping over piles of stuffed animals? This vertical storage tube keeps your plush toys organized and easy to reach. The snap lock lid stays secure and prevents tipping, while the double zipper and reinforced stitching make it durable even with frequent use. Its tall design saves floor space and can store large toys or long items. Transparent PET material lets you display your collection while keeping it protected. So, if you want a clutter-free playroom, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Keep your smile fresh, no matter where you are. This portable floss dispenser pops out a floss pick with a simple press, keeping each one clean and hygienic. The tough food-grade floss gently removes debris without hurting your teeth, while the comfortable handle makes cleaning effortless. Refillable and reusable, it's perfect for home, travel, or on-the-go use. Compact and pocket-friendly, you can maintain your oral care anytime, anywhere. Printing on the go has never been this easy. This compact wireless printer fits in your backpack and prints US letter or A4 pages without any ink. Just connect via Bluetooth to your phone, tablet, or laptop, and you're ready to go. The high-definition thermal printing keeps text and images crisp, while the rechargeable battery handles up to 160 sheets per charge. Perfect for travel, home, or small offices. It's convenience in the palm of your hand. Packing for a trip just got a lot easier. These foldable hangers are lightweight, compact, and perfect for keeping clothes organized on the go. The anti-slip design keeps your shirts, pants, and coats from sliding off, while the sturdy plastic holds up to 10 pounds. They fold down to fit neatly in your luggage or backpack, making them ideal for cruises, hotels, or any travel adventure. Simple, practical, and travel-ready. So, if you want stress-free packing every time, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Keep your eggs safe and organized with this handy refrigerator container. Individual compartments protect each egg from cracking, while the clear plastic lets you see how many you have at a glance. The compact, space-saving design fits neatly on any shelf, and the sturdy lid keeps eggs secure while preventing odors from spreading. Lightweight but durable, it's easy to move from fridge to counter whenever you need. Tired of messy drawers and cluttered spaces? These adjustable dividers let you customize each drawer to fit your needs. Simply cut to size and snap them in to separate socks, underwear, clothes, or office supplies. Perfect for kitchens, bedrooms, bathrooms, and desks. They keep everything neatly in place. Easy to clean and durable, they turn any drawer into an organized, stress-free space. Cleaning up spills just got a lot smarter. This countertop paper towel holder comes with a built-in spray pump, so you can mist and wipe in one smooth motion. The balanced tension arm lets you pull just one sheet at a time without waste. The high-performance pump delivers a fine mist over any mess, while the portable design lets you move it anywhere you need. Stylish brushed stainless steel keeps your kitchen tidy and modern. So if you want faster, cleaner spills every time, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Say goodbye to keys and forgotten combinations. This smart padlock unlocks instantly with your fingerprint, making access quick and secure. Its built-in rechargeable battery lasts up to a year and supports thousands of uses. A tricolor indicator keeps you informed of its status, and the compact zinc design fits lockers, backpacks, gym bags, and doors. Waterproof and anti-theft, it's the perfect lock for home, travel, or everyday use. Say goodbye to clumpy protein shakes. This electric shaker bottle mixes powders smoothly with a powerful motor spinning at 7,000 revolutions per minute. Made from BPA-free Triton, it's lightweight, durable, and completely safe for your drinks. The 22-ounce bottle is portable and leak-proof, so you can toss it in your bag without worries. Rechargeable via USB and easy to clean, it's perfect for home, gym, or on-the-go nutrition. Keep your kitchen sink neat and stylish with this built-in soap dispenser. It holds plenty of soap or lotion and refills easily from the top. No crawling under the sink required. The 360-degree swivel pump makes it easy to reach from any angle, and the upgraded design prevents leaks every time you press. Made from durable, fingerprint-resistant ABS plastic, it stays looking clean and modern. Simple to install, it's a smart addition to any kitchen or bathroom. So if you want a cleaner, more convenient sink, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Say goodbye to daily scooping with this smart, self-cleaning litter box. It automatically separates and seals waste in an odor-proof compartment, keeping your home fresh. Extra wide access and a sleek design make it comfortable for cats up to 30 pounds. App control lets you schedule cleanings, monitor usage, and get maintenance alerts right from your phone. With dual safety sensors and easy-to-use trash bags, cat care has never been easier or cleaner. Keep your drinks, snacks, and remotes within arm's reach with this bamboo sofa tray. Its 2-in-1 design includes a foldable tray and detachable cup holder, perfect for TV time or working on your laptop. Made from natural bamboo, it's sturdy, durable, and adds a touch of style to any living room. Anti-slip pads keep it secure on most sofa armrests, preventing spills and protecting your furniture. Simple, practical, and elegant. It's the ultimate couch companion. Upgrade your bathroom comfort with this soft, O-shaped toilet seat cushion. Made from waterproof EVA, it adds a gentle layer for a more pleasant experience every time. Quick and easy to install, it fits most standard toilet seats without hassle. Durable and hygienic, it protects the seat while staying easy to clean. The stylish blue color adds a fresh touch to your bathroom decor. So if you want a cozier bathroom experience, scan the QR on screen to shop now. Take your phone into the shower safely. This waterproof phone holder protects your device while letting you watch videos, listen to music, or scroll social media. Its 480-degree rotation and adjustable angle put your screen exactly where you want it. The clear TPU cover keeps touch sensitivity and Face ID fully functional. Easy to mount with strong adhesive hooks, it works on walls, mirrors, or even bathtubs, making your shower time both fun and hands-free. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.